All right, hello. So today I am going to show you how to really easily do a color pop in Photoshop. Okay, so I've already downloaded this picture, so you'll want to make sure you have the picture that you want before you get started, obviously. Then I'm going to come over here and select Open after Photoshop opens up. Let's select the picture where I have it downloaded to, and I have mine on the desktop. Just hit Open. And voila, it brings up this gorgeous picture that I have. Now I'm going to go ahead and come down here and I'm going to create a new adjustment layer. So it's the half circle. Just go ahead and select it and push down and then go ahead and select black and white and it'll auto create a new layer for you. Okay, so now that you've got it in black and white, you're going to come on over here to the Tools menu. It may look like this, it may look like this. Either way, you're going to go over to the eraser menu and you're going to just select that eraser tool. Okay, so quick tip, if you are ever using a brush or the eraser tool, if you select the brackets on your keyboard, it will go ahead and make the brush bigger or smaller depending on what you want. So it's at 7. I'm going to throw this way up here because the area that I want to make color is pretty big. I probably need it at least at 100. There we go. Yeah, that's a good size. All right, and as you can see, the color starts coming through really easily. You want to be like careful because you want to make sure that there's not any either leftover black and white in the area that you want, or like right here, you don't want there to be any extra parts that are made color that you don't intend to have show through. So you're going to want to kind of go slowly through it. I think I'm going to actually pump up the size here of this just to make this go a little faster because as you can see the flower is fairly large, so as long as I'm careful, especially like right down here on the edges, and I'd almost rather like have some of the flower color not come through than the random like green color in the back. See like how bad that looks. Let me go back a couple steps. Command Z undoes everything. So I'm just gonna leave that section undone here. Come around down here. Cool thing is too that you can see in the layers pane, like as you work, that you're bringing up or bringing some of the color back through. Ooh, that's probably too much. That's not what I had intended to have come through. I just want that flower, that gorgeous red coming through. I don't want any of the greenery in the background. I think this is way easier than using a GIMP, if you've ever used that. It's just one step versus like 15. So here. Nice. Alright, I think I'm about done here with this example. It's not perfect, but this is just a tutorial video for you guys. It's not like I'm entering this into an art contest. Anyway, maybe I should. I think that came out pretty good. I might crop it down so that the flower is even more of a focus. But something like that is just up to you artistically. But this way it almost makes the color pop like less obvious that it's a color pop, but it makes that gorgeous red just the center focus of the picture. Looks good. All right, so if I was going to be turning this in, just like you're going to be, what I would do is save this. So save as, put it in the Creative Cloud, and then turn in that Photoshop file to me, the PSD file. Please don't send me a screenshot or anything else, because this way I can download your pictures, and when I print them out, I can print them with the best amount of quality possible. All right, so I think I'm going to save this to my Creative Cloud, and if you haven't logged in, this is the time when you need to make sure that you are logged in. Otherwise, you'll be saving it to somebody else's account. And this is my color pop example from tutorial video, in case I ever want to come back to it for some reason. All right, and then in Google Classroom, again, you would just go back to the assignment. You would hit the plus sign, add the file from your device, find it on the Creative Cloud, and just attach it. All right, thanks for listening, and let me know if you have any questions.